Hi, this is Yang Park. I hope you had a great holidays and also wish you a very successful year. So this is for information systems for management. So I'm going to go over some very important information for this semester. Again, my name is Yang Park. People call me Yang, Dr. Park. Either way is fine. So when you communicate, uh, I appreciate if you use GoView email. So in GoView, you have internal email. So it doesn't work like external email, like a Gmail that's within email. So you cannot, you know, communicate throughout the other email. So, but anyway, uh, GoView email is the communication method. And I have online office hours, 9 to 10 Mondays. So we're gonna have a video conference most of the time. I try to do it every week, so you can take advantage of this opportunity. If you have any questions or comments or sharing ideas, so I'll be pretty much turning it on at 9 p.m. on Mondays. So I'll show how to access to this video meeting. So make sure read the syllabus, of course. You have more detailed information on syllabus. And of course, I'm going to talk about textbook, but any textbook these days contains some old materials, may not be really up to date. So that's why we're trying to do some assignments, other supplemental materials so that we can make up those materials. And of course, we all have to have a webcam and microphone so that you can take a successful ProctorU exam. That's very important. And another requirement will be Microsoft Office 2019 or higher, so that that particular Office version will have Word, Excel, Access, which is a database package. For some Mac users, of course, this textbook, many textbook, matter of fact, it's not really Mac friendly because simply, Mac users are minority in terms of computer platform. So don't discourage if you see any differences or any inconvenience. I'll always try to help you out, even though I'm not a 100% Mac user. I can help you out. So let me know if you have any problems and questions. And also, if you don't have Office 2019 or higher, I encourage you to download Microsoft Office 365. So you can download from GSW website for free, of course. Okay. All right. So let me go to GoView. That's our learning platform. Excuse me. So as you can see, the announcement will show at the front page. So some of those important announcements or videos, video tutorials, other things will be posted here. So make sure you check out these announcements very often. Matter of fact, we have textbook information posted and syllabus, of course. Make sure you read syllabus so you understand exactly what's going to happen. Especially those people who are first time or not sure how to take a ProctorU exam. right here, Proctor U exam informations are uh, laid out so that you can take advantage of, and even give you costs information. So when you access those contents, most likely you're going to go to content and go through materials by module. So we organize by module. Module 1 is like a chapter 1, for example. Module 2, and the order number of module and chapter number are not synchronized. So I'm going to show you how those are different. Because for example, module 1 represents chapter 1 in the book, but module 2 probably represent other chapter, not necessarily chapter 2. Okay, so I'll show you exactly what's the difference between module number and text number, of course. Okay, so in each module show you materials, what materials you need to go over, and you may have textbook materials, just like a textbook, but because it's open book textbook. Matter of fact, our textbook is open book textbook, so you don't have to buy. It's available online. You can download PDF, or you can just access through our website. And sometimes I'm going to post video sessions and other supplemental information so that you can go over. Then you're going to have assignments that you need to submit. So there's assignments and quizzes, of course. So each module have a quiz. And why do we have two quizzes? Well, I need to get rid of those because it's same thing basically, same quiz and discussion. Of course, you will have a discussion. Other times we may have other assignments, for example, hands-on or Excel, those kind of um, assignment as well. Okay, and you can directly access to this particular assignments if you want to see all those assignments at once, or you can go by those materials by each module, either way. Okay, and you can access to the quizzes directly, and there's a grades so that you can see the grades items. I think I haven't set up yet. And in terms of communication, you have discussions, email, those things are under communication tab. And Proctor U information already there. So you can access or log into your account on Proctor U. And even pre-tutoring is available. I'm not sure we have the link activated. Now, last time I checked was kind of link is out, so hopefully it's gonna restore. But basically, give you some free information and free tutorings available for some of those courses like accounting, Excel, math, those courses. Okay. All right. So hopefully you get some ideas how this Go View works. And matter of fact, email. I think some of you have not tried email. Then email is right there. So you open up email, just like other email interface. You click compose or write, then you click compose. But one thing different from other platform is that you need to select the sender, the address by clicking address book. You cannot just type it in address. You just look for address book from this list. So just click the one you want to send to. For example, you want to send to Park. Then you need to click here to or CC or BCC depending on what you want to do. So let's say you just want to send it to you. So I'm going to click to. So that particular email is added to my to box. then you need to click add the recipient. Okay, so you need to click this button, otherwise you're gonna have to do it again. Okay, so click add recipients, and there you go. Then you can type it in whatever you want to type it in your email. Okay, then you click send, of course, right here. So that was quick navigation on Georgia View. What about the grading components? So we have particular following items. We have 3 ProctorU tests, including a final. Okay, final is not really comprehensive, so that's why I put it as a 3 ProctorU tests. So we have approximately 280 points. So it's not really 100 point each in terms of each ProctorU, and dates are already assigned so that you can have a scheduled already if you wish. Because the earlier is better. Some weeks are very busy, so it's pretty hard to find a good spot. So I encourage you to make an appointment as early as possible. And you have weekly assignments. You have a project. Should be a topic presentation, meaning that you prepare a presentation, but through the online presentation tool. It's not like a PowerPoint or Google presentation, but must be online uh, tool that you need to use, as well as recording the audio dictation. The details will be available very soon. And hands-on exercise in terms of Excel exercises and other Google application, internet-related database and other things will be under hands-on exercises. And we'll have about 5 or 6 discussions using discussion board. And we'll have again quizzes. Each module will have a short quizzes. Okay. All right. In terms of other policies, no late assignment will be accepted. However, we have 3 makeup days are given so that you can take advantage of. Okay, there's always something happen, so you'll have a three uh, 3 days late for one time, or you can have a 3 assignment uh, 1 day late. So basically, you can take 1 day 3 times, or vice versa. And if you, well, basically no late assignment, but always on your side. So if I accept the late assignment, then the makeup will be uh, taking out 10% of the grade of that particular assignment, of course. And in terms of makeup for quizzes, exams, makeup exams will be given for only documented reasons for some emergencies, of course. And no late discussion will be allowed it because it's pretty much uh, up to date exercises. In terms of technical assistance, well, of course, there's always something might happen. It could be your internet, could be your computer, but don't panic. So try to ask for help. And at the same time, let me know what's going on so that I can aware of, even though you may not be able to finish assignment or whatever. And also accessibility services. in terms of you are qualified for disabilities and you need some accommodations, let us know so that we can find solutions and we can be prepared for whatever the accommodation will be. And also academic integrity is very important. And if something occurred during exam or whatever other materials that violate the university policy, then I'll assign 0 for that particular assignment. And the same thing, or uh, other things will violate the university policy, then the student will receive F in this course. Plagiarism prevention. Okay, plagiarism is another measure that we need to take very seriously. Make sure you understand that we are using Turnitin, which is what they call plagiarism prevention system, so that everything you submitted will use that and see what kind of mistake you made at the same time. It'll give you a score. The higher, the worse, because the higher number indicates you basically copy and paste from somebody else's. So let me know if you have any questions about plagiarism or using uh, going through this Turnitin prevention system in case. The important thing is just let me know if you have any questions first. Okay, so before you're spending long hours yourself trying to find out what you do not understand, just don't do it. Just let me know first so that I can help you out. Okay, so uh, I'll see you other videos. Thanks.